for the sake of posterity, under active track, we're going to aim this thing at me. I'm usually pretty good at finding the family. So then all we have to do is see how we shall see. Put this over here, because without the music it's just kind of demotivating, but the music is not running. So again, I don't know what that's about. The music is not running, so I can't hear it. I don't know. That's kind of annoying. So I can't hear it. Maybe it's still recording. Am I still in the active track? So again, the problem is I can't hear anything. So all the different bits of technology seem to have worked okay, but to dance without motivation because I can't hear the music is just a total letdown. So don't know if this is something that can be fixed, but at least we have some cool things going on the side of us. It's beautiful dancing. So anyway. Anywho, that was my attempt. So I guess what you need in life is two devices, one for the music and one for the rest if you want to have live music doing these things. So we learned something new today. It's always good to learn something new. So I'm going to drop the bird here real quick. I don't see anything else that we can really do today. We're going to stop the active track and bring her down. Wrong way. We're gonna put her down here real quick. Right there is where I want her. And let's change the gimbal angle a little bit. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go do a good old landing. It wants to land in place. There it is, with almost no... Come on, man. The gimbal up bit is pretty slow. Abnormal compass or something. It was perfectly fine. I don't think there was any abnormality at all in any of what was going on. But look at that. That's all the space you need to put these drones down. That is pretty much all the space that you need, guys, to put these cool drones down. I attempted something and I was hoping that it would work. Note to self, next time bring a separate device to play music, because you're trying to do it all on one device. I don't even know if it actually recorded or the music was playing on screen, but we'll find out when we get home and put this on the computer. Anyway, with this beautiful shot of the sun behind me, it's pretty cool. I will say goodbye and see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.